Well, as you can see, we are about to approach Buffalo, Illinois here. A very small town, as you can see. Village, probably. That's how they would classify it. Once again, this is Old Route 36, right? Yep. Located on Old Route 36 here. I'm going to disengage because I don't want it to come into town going 800 miles an hour. And there we go. Welcome to Buffalo. Oh my gosh, a sign I can easily park next to. Oh, see. The frontage road, which is on the right there, is 15 miles an hour, but the car's seeing that. And it's really 35.
Now turn right onto Southwest Street.
I believe I put in... It's kind of weird. They call it a frontage road, but it's more like a shoulder of the road. I'm not sure why they call it a frontage road here, but that's what they do. I believe I put in the church. Roads are a bit rough around here so far, at least.
In 500 feet, turn right to stay on South Street.
They got a baseball field and everything. I don't know. Is there a school here? Kind of a small town. We might be combining multiple towns and they go to school here. Yeah, that has to be a school.
Now turn right to stay on South Street.
Grace Community Fellowship. I guess we're not using a turn signal today, car. Okay.
Now your destination is on the left.
I assume this is a school, right? Yeah. Car is going to be very confused about where to go. Yeah, there's school buses and stuff, so it must be a school. Oh, I was going to go right, but I can't go right. It ends. Well, let's set a new point on the map. Let's go up here. That's a good area. The Body of Christ Church. Turn it back on. See if it can navigate out of this parking lot. What do you think the chances are of that? Well, it sees the edge there and knows it has to turn around. What are the chances it can navigate out of here? Place your bets right now in the comments. So it needs to go right up here. It's putting on a turn signal, which doesn't really need to do in a parking lot. Wow. Well, is it actually going to get out of here on its own? Wow, I am amazed. I thought the chances were like 0 it would be able to do that.
Now turn left to stay on Southwest Street.
But it did it. Whatever, that's the same UPS driver I just saw in Dawson. It probably is, and they probably think I'm insane. They're like, what's this person doing? Well, how will FSD recognize this what's going on here? Oh, unfazed. Like, yep, that's normal. See that every day. We're just going to slow down a bit and then keep going. Handled that pretty well.
Turn right onto West Elm Street.
Not sure what kind of business they have here, but okay, it's very hesitant here. There's a car coming. See if we can figure out where the road is. Oh, it's very confused here.
In 500 feet, turn left onto Wells Street.
Yeah, it was a... That is kind of confusing setup there. I've never seen another place quite like it.
Now turn left onto Wells Street.
There's the downtown there on the right. That train is probably still sitting in Dawson.
Now turn right onto East Elizabeth Street.
Got a yield here, but seems like the car treats yield signs as stop signs.
In 500 feet, turn left onto Main Street. Then your destination will be on the left.
Wait, Main Street's over here? Doesn't even make sense. See if I can get over far enough. It would only get over to the edge of the grass, so the other guy had to go on the grass a little bit to
Now
get over.
turn left onto Main Street.
Why is Main Street over here? That doesn't make sense. Who designed this town? Why would this be Main Street? That's just weird.
Now your destination is on the left.
And there is the church right there. Oh, we can go to the public library. Tri-City Public Library.
Now turn left onto East William Street.
That's the weirdest main street of a town I've ever seen. There's like nothing on it, but okay.
In 500 feet, turn left onto North Wells Street. Now turn left onto North Wells Street.
Now, this is kind of tricky here. It doesn't know where to turn. Whoa. That's... Yeah, it should have turned on the first one there, but I mean, it did it, I guess.
In 500 feet, turn left onto West Elm Street.
Praise the turning circle of the Model 3. It is really pretty amazing how sharp you can turn this car for the size it is. Seems like it turned just as sharp as my old Fiesta, and that car was tiny. There's downtown
Now
again.
turn left onto West Elm Street.
Doesn't look like much is even not abandoned besides the post office there. Well, I guess we're not waiting for that car.
In 500 feet, turn right onto South Main Street.
Oh, it still thinks it's 15 miles an hour because of the speed limit on the frontage road.
Now turn right onto South Main Street.
Yeah, the frontage road speed limits being on the main road is definitely confusing the car here. But you can't, I mean, I guess you can't blame it too much. It sees the speed limit and goes, well, that's what it is. A Dollar General, oh, of course there's a Dollar General. How could there not be a Dollar General in this town?
In 500 feet, your destination will be on the left.
Is that the water tower for here, all the way across the street? I guess we're pulling into the library. Oh, it's the municipal building, village hall, and the police station too. Oh, I can't get a good angle in front of the sign there. Maybe there's one on the back. Let's see. Nope, I don't see any Village of Buffalo signs here. Well, you've pretty much been everywhere in this town. It's obviously not very big. Let's go over here to the baseball field. Why not, right? We'll go this way through town. We haven't been that way. See if I can get out of here. Let's turn it on right here. Oh yeah, this should be pretty easy for it to get out of. I kind of just pointed it in the right direction already.
In 1,000 feet, turn left onto East Charles Street. Now turn left onto East Charles Street.
There's a giant boat. Party boat right there, man. Well, it's a bit hesitant here for some reason. Not sure why. Especially since it was a four-way stop. There goes my water bottle. I guess this is Tri-City Schools, which is probably, yeah, multiple of these small towns here that
In 500 feet, turn left onto Carpenter Street.
they build the school in one town because it doesn't make sense to have a tiny school in every single town, of course. There probably used to be like a one-room schoolhouse in every town, but
Now turn left onto Carpenter Street.
long ago been knocked down or repurposed. We're back at Tri-City Schools, which is what it's called. And here we are. Oh, I ended the trip and it's, I don't know where it's going now. Are we off on an adventure where FSD wants us to go? Apparently we are. It's kind of funny, if you end the trip, it doesn't stop. It just keeps driving somewhere. Okay, where are we going, car? I don't think you can go that way. Yeah, there's a car there. You can't go that way. We're gonna be blocked in if we keep following it. It's a maximum speed in reverse. Should we test it? Alright, well I want to get a picture in front of that sign, which is like over here, so
Now make a U-turn to stay on Carpenter Street.
see if we can figure it out. We'll do this. Should be pretty easy. It's like a fancy school building right here.
In 500 feet, turn left onto West Charles Street.
Home of the Tigers. There's the baseball and softball field, I would assume. Speed bumps ahead. I don't see any. Oh, is that one right there?
Now turn left onto West Charles Street.
That was the tiniest speed bump in the history of speed bumps right there.
In 500 feet, turn right onto West Elm Street. Then your destination will be on the right.
Alright, we gotta find that Welcome to Buffalo sign.
Now turn right onto West Elm Street.
It is right there. Probably just do it on this side of the road. That'd make more sense than doing it on the main road, right?
Now your destination is on the right.
Welcome to Buffalo, where families matter. Well, that's going to about do it for Buffalo here. Let's see if it can figure out where to go here. It's kind of confused. Maybe it will stay on this front. This is a road here, this frontage road, so it can stay on it. Okay, it's actually doing this pretty well. I don't know if it knew it was on the frontage road here, but it figured it out eventually. Next, we're going to go to Cornland, Illinois,
Turn right onto West Charles Street.
which is always kind of the funniest name for a town, I think. Hey, there's corn everywhere. What should we name our town? Well, Cornland, obviously. And that train is still sitting in Dawson because it hasn't gone by here yet, of course. Well, you got to go straight here, car. You want to go straight across the road here. See if it can do it. I don't know why it wouldn't be able to. There's nothing coming. I don't know why it's so hesitant here. It is very hesitant for some reason. I don't know why it thinks it's 20 miles an hour, but in any case, that's going to do it for the video of Buffalo, Illinois. So, thanks for watching. Let me know if you saw anything exciting going on there, and join me for the next one, which will probably be Cornland, Illinois. Will probably be the next video, but who knows, right? Anyway, thanks for watching.